Hello and welcome back to another video on the autodoc YouTube channel. My name is George and today we're going to be learning about fuses, where they are typically located on your car, how to remove one and how to replace it for a new one. Now before we get into the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can keep up to date with all of the latest videos. Now let's get into the video. Okay, so when it comes to locating the fuse box on your car, it is important to remember that they could actually be more than one. They could be two or more fuse boxes, but they are typically going to be located in one of three places. So they can sometimes be located in the glove compartment. They can also sometimes be located in the boot area as well, usually behind a trim panel. And they can also be located in the engine bay, which is actually our case today. The fuse box on this car is located just here, and to access it you just need to remove this cover, and as you can see we are greeted with a whole bunch of different fuses. Now once you have located the fuse box, you obviously need to decide which fuse needs to be replaced. Now you can go ahead and manually check each fuse one by one. That isn't very efficient though. The best thing you can do is get a fuse box diagram and then check to see which one needs to be replaced and what position it is in. And then when you know which fuse needs to be replaced, you just need to remove it. Now there usually is a special fuse pull-in tool in the fuse box somewhere. There doesn't appear to be one here, unfortunately, so we just have some long nose pliers which does the trick just the same. You just need to pinch it, give it a wiggle, and it should pull out just like so. Now if the fuse had blown, then the link inside would be broken. In our case the fuse is actually fine, so I'm just going to go ahead and reinstall it. And to install a fuse is very easy to do. It's pretty much foolproof. All you need to do is find the slots and then just push it in. And then once you have installed the fuse, you can go ahead and pop the cover back on. Okay then, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. I hope it has been somewhat helpful. Remember to give it a like, leave a comment down below if you have any questions, subscribe if you have not already done so, and you can also check out my channel as well. That will be down in the description box. And until next time, take care.